This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad with eggs and bacon. Start by washing 2 pounds of waxy potatoes and boiling them whole until fork tender. Drain and let cool enough to handle. Then peel if you prefer and chop into uniform bite-sized pieces for even dressing coverage and consistent texture throughout the salad. Softly warm your kitchen and cook 6 eggs to a firm yolk by boiling 9 to 12 minutes, then cool them in ice water for easy peeling. Crisp 6 bacon strips in a pan or oven and drain on paper towels to remove excess fat. Chop both eggs and bacon into small, even pieces so every bite of the potato salad has balanced protein and smoky crunch. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold, fits most cup holders, and has a dependable leak-proof spout so you stay hydrated while prepping or picnicking. I've linked it and a few deals in the description, so check those out if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Combine 1 cup mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons mustard as the creamy, tangy base for your dressing and stir until smooth. Fold in 2 tablespoons chopped pickles or relish and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar for brightness. Season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, then taste and adjust. You can add a pinch of sugar or a splash more vinegar to balance flavors before mixing into the potatoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.